So today I want to show you how you can use Kosmik AI to browse the web without having to use our built-in browser. So here on my canvas, you can see an image, and that image, just like any element you've imported or created in Kosmik or captured from the web, is auto-tagged and described. So we know this is from a movie by Hayao Miyazaki, it is Spirited Away. So what we can do is that we can pass all of those informations to our AI, and it can go on the web and search other items for you in the same kind of genre. So here I'm going to select the image, go on the bar here, you see there is a miniature of the image, a source, we call it a source. You can have as many sources as you want. You just select items on the canvas, which is going to refine the query that we're going to pass to the AI. Click on suggestion, click on find related images. And Kosmik goes on the web and find between 5 and 20 images tops, in the same kind of genre as the one you've selected. And so here, for example, you can see we got stills from the movie, with Shiro and Yubaba, just like the images we have. And now we can keep those to refine our mood board. And I'm actually going to do something else with those new images. So I'm taking those images. I'm not going to keep those ones. What I can do now is I can select those 6 sources and ask Kosmik to go on the web and find videos about this. So here I'm passing those 6 sources to Kosmik. Kosmik goes on YouTube, find videos, and in a stack I have videos about Chihiro, about the Studio Ghibli, about Spirited Away, scenes from the movie, and they're all auto-playing on my canvas, and I can take those videos, keep them on Kosmik, and they're going to make for a very nice mood board and discards the one I do not want to keep, and they're also auto-tagged. So that's the first way to use that AI search. You select something on the canvas or you import something, you use it as a prompt, we send that query on the web through our LLM, we bring back the assets. The other way is to just type a query directly in the bar here. So I'm going to ask for images and links and not videos, for example, about Porco Rosso. And Kosmik bring back about 20 items, pictures, websites that I can open right here. So here, for example, this is the Rotten Tomato rating about Porco Rosso. We can click and open that, browse the web, see what people think of Porco Rosso. And what's super nice is that when we bring back all of those assets on the Kosmik canvas, we always keep the source. So you can see here, even if those images were downloaded by our AI, by our LLM, you can still go back to the source. And they're all auto-tagged, and so everything's organized nicely on your canvas. So this is a way to create mood boards like that in seconds instead of painstakingly selecting items on the web one by one, and we hope you'll like it. If you have questions, as always, please reach out by email or be on our Reddit, and we'll be in touch super soon. Have a great day. Bye.